Hello out there, my name is Michael Niemas, I'm a model builder and I had a great opportunity to be invited to an event at the Barcelona Grand Prix for the launch of 4 1:8 scale models of Deagostini and Fanhome. So here we can see the nose of the Red Bull RB19 from Max Verstappen of the year 2019, and this car was launched exactly at this event. And I want to show you now the ready-made prototype. Enjoy the video. I just let you have an impression of the car right now, and later on in 1-2 minutes there will be also a little interview to one of the developers at Fanhome. So now we will get a little bit introduction about how the datas were made, and here Anna will tell us a little bit.
So when we were creating this car, we didn't have access to a lot of images or content to start building this car because of the industrial espionage, because this car was still using for racing. So we end up searching for some way to have this content, and we end up with the pictures that they use for the races, and then we just contact a very famous journalist from F1, and with her help, with his help, and then the pictures that we have from the races, we start developing this pretty much the same car and the same car that they used to race to create this model. So we end up having this amazing car, but it's true that the engine that is in this car, it's not the one that they use in racing, but it's a simplified version of the engine that they use. So yeah, as you can see, it's an amazing replica and it ended up looking really, really nice.
So what just came to my mind is we see all of the amazing details on this car, the carbon fiber structure, the sponsors, and so on, and I'm asking myself if there is an approval from Red Bull.
Yeah, of course, we need an approval for everything, for the content creation, the web, and also the car. It's true that we need to have an approval from the car.
Okay, thank you. So we see here a fully approved Red Bull RB19 that you can build by your own for yourself. Amazing. I hope you could get a first impression of this RB19. I will build up this model for you and will create also some videos so that you can see the progress and everything and review it. And it would be great if you give me a like, if you follow my channel for more content like this. And if you have something, just leave me a comment and I will answer as soon as possible. You're Michael.